Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Boss Artist. And today I'm going to draw a beautiful portrait sketch digitally of a beautiful girl. I hope this art will help you relieve your stress. So make sure to watch the full video and enjoy the drawing. I started the drawing with a rough sketch, and I'm using the reference picture to draw this art. Make sure to always use reference image, cause it will help you improve your art and help you make perfect art, and it's good for practice. So always use a reference picture to draw. If you are a beginner or even if you are advanced artist, just use a reference picture. It's not a shameful thing. Because most of artists like me have no style of their own, so they just use reference pictures and try to make exactly the same art as the reference, and I am one of them, so you can call this type of artist printer artist. But it helps a lot because not everyone is creative or have their unique style. As you can see, I started coloring the drawing by using a different layer so that even if I make mistake in my art, it would not affect the entire drawing. So always use different layers for different colors and shades. It will make your efforts easy. Cause it will not affect the entire drawing. And you can easily correct your mistakes and add more shadings. And you can always undo in the mistakes. Plus adding more layer helps a lot if you wanna experiment a new thing. If that experiment works, it's okay. If that doesn't work, you can always erase that part or layer. Without any worries.
I am using pen fade brush. For coloring and shading in Ibis paint. And for blending purpose I use watercolor mixed brush too. For better blending, reduce the opacity of watercolor mixed brush at least 20 to 25. But you have to perform a lot of strokes for better blending, but don't worry. Cause every masterpiece takes patience and time. The more time you spend on your art, the more better. Your art. And art is all about visual presentation. If you like my drawing so far, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel and keep supporting the channel, and ring the bell icon for future updates. Thank you so much for watching.